course, Regine Velasquez, maraming salamat sa iyong pagdalaw sa Itbulaga. Pero mga Dawargans, eto na ang pinakabagong kantahan na pagdalawahan.
Umandara sa split screen singing contest dito sa
Just Do It! Dito, pwede makaduwan ang mga sikat na singers.
Mga kasama pa ang mga Dabarkads judges na sina Patring, Aisel, and Alan Kay.
Kahapon ang nanalo ay isang voice teacher.
Voice teacher.
Nanalo si Carl Zarate na nakaduet si April Boy Regino.
Sino naman kayong celebrity ang makikita natin today sa ating magic screen?
Ito na. Kilalanin natin ang ating unang contestant for the day.
Our Just Do It contestant number 1 is from Bacolod City. 17 years old, Rosel Solquilio.
Hey, Rosel! I'm loving the hair.
Wow, from Bacolod pa talaga si
Yung buhok
Rosel.
na yan, Pia, nakikita ko sa inyo lagi yan. Ano ba tawag sa ganyang buhok?
One-sided?
One-sided. Yung kumukulong-kulong dito. Ambisyon ko yan eh.
Ganon? Ambisyon mo talaga?
Okay, pero galing sa tenga.
Si Rosel, ibig mo sabihin, lumipad ka pa all the way from Bacolod just to compete sa Just Do It natin?
No po, kasi ang hirap na kasi yung buhay namin sa Bacolod. So, nagpunta po kami dito para maghanap ni mama ng trabaho. Tapos ako nakikipagsapalaran kahit saan po ng kanta.
So yung pagkanta mo yan ang inaasahan mo, Rosel?
Yes po.
Okay, dapat bigay na bigay yan, ha? Ready ka na ba?
Ready.
Huwag kang kakabahan, ha? Dapat yung panlaban talaga.
Meron ka bang pinapangarap na makaduet, Rosel?
Opo, si Ate Jonalyn Viray at si Charis Pempenko po.
O sige, tingnan natin kung matsambahan natin yan, Rosel. Let's watch the magic screen.
Si Ima Castro, ang multi-awarded singer, one of the Filipinos who became part of Miss Saigon and played as Kim. Ready ka na ba para sa kanya, Rosel?
Ready.
Galingan mo, Rosel, baka ito na yung maging stepping stone mo to future singing gigs.
Good luck, Rosel! Remember, just do it!
Itong awiting alone ay ang aking showstopper sa mga performances ko. So, good luck sa'yo. Just do it!
No one's on the telephone.
Agutan ng litig talaga yung alon eh, no?
Kung si Ima, nasa sala pa yun, ha? Partida pa yun, ha? Nakaupo pa yun.
O, nakaupo pa? Well done, Rosel. Di siya nagpatalo.
Oo. Kaya maganda laban sa Just Do It.
Ito na, alamin na natin kung sino ang ating Just Do It contestant number 2 from Bacoor, Cavite. This time, 18 years old, third-year marketing student, Jana Mengito. Jana!
Eh, Jana. Okay naman yung labanan dito, Jana. Walang sukuan. Kaya mo man tapatan yun?
Gagawin ko po yung best ko.
Si Jana naman, ilang taon nang kumakanta?
Almost 5 years na po.
As a hobby lang, Jana, hindi ka sumasali ng contests.
Sumasali din po para sa pamilya po.
Yung anong mga contest, anong mga pyesa mo sa contest, Jana?
By Miss Lani, Miss Alucha, and Mr. Gene Velasquez po.
Maliit na bagay.
Mabababa ang mga pyesa mo.
Oo. O Jana, alamin natin kung sino makakaduet mo today. Let's find out from our magic screen. Ang makakaduet mo, singer-actress Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Foundation Awardee for Best Female Singer, Rachel Alejandro.
Good luck, Jana. Remember, just do it!
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your shit bare. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever which is bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your head, but you played it to the beat. Baby, I have no story to be told, that I have one of you and it's gonna make your head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair. Make a home down there and you're not one to share. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your head, and you played it to the beat. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your head, but you played it to the beat. Roll your soul through every broken door. Count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasure gold. Pay me back in cash and reach us what you sow. We could have had it all. We could have had it all. It all. We could have had it all.
Rachel Alejandro. World class ang mga kaduet.
Maraming salamat dun sa mga singers na pumapayag makaduet ang ating mga contestants.
Thank you, Rachel and Ima.
Okay, let's find out the comments of our judges. Aisel!
Great job sa inyong dalawa! Alam nyo, sa totoo lang ang pagduduet, dalawang bagay. Kailangan marunong kayong makinig sa kaduet nyo. Dapat hindi kayo nagsasapawan. Dapat hindi naman nagpapahuli. So, kayong dalawa hindi kayo nagpahuli at ang tatalas ng tenga nyo. So, congratulations to you two.
Thank you, Aisel. Judges, maraming salamat. Time to vote. Text your votes in, guys.
Maraming salamat sa mga contestants na nakiduet sa atin ngayon.
Mamaya, malalaman natin kung sino sa inyong dalawa ang mananalo ng 20,000 pesos.
At bukas abangan nyo kung sino pa sa mga celebrity artists ang pwede ninyong makaduet dito sa
Just Do It! At mga Dabarkads, susunod na, Kalye Serya na! Sa pagbabalikan ng Eat Bula. ng fame. Asan ba si Pogi? Aligin mo! Sa'yo to! Sinubok-subok ako eh!
Ikaw na! Dali!
Kaya ano po, nagpapasalamat po kami sa bumubuo ng Fame 2016 Face of Marketing and Advertising Excellence para po sa pagkilala sa mga Dabarkads. Yan!
Bilang Best Child Celebrity Endorser, si Liza May Dizon, and ako naman po as Best Female Celebrity Endorser. At ang
Best Love Team Endorser ang Alba!
Salamat po!
Thank you!
At ito pang pagkilala ang natanggap namin mga Dabarkads mula naman sa Trinity University of Asia para sa Platinum Stallion Media Awards, Tradition Awardee for Most Valuable Male Advertising Endorser,
Alden Richard.
At Tradition Awardee for Most Valuable Female Advertising Endorser, Maine Mendoza. Ito na!
Ang Best Two-Time Show,
Ang Eat
Muli, maraming salamat sa inyong pagtitiwala mga Dabarkads. Happy birthday na rin kay Julian Camacho. At kilalanin na natin ang panalo sa Just Do It!
Oy, as you were, guys, as you were.
Don't mind us.
Kami na bahala dito.
Just Do It number 1 o si Just Do It number 2, Jana Maikito.
Alright, here we
And
go.
the winner is...
Go ahead, babe.
our Just Do It winner for today